Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. So you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, just go to search bar and type here control panel. From the search results, click here to open it. Once we're here, we need to go to the search panel. So find out the POWER, type here POWER power, then click on the power options. Now click on change plan settings, then go for the change advanced power settings. Once we are here, we need to expand this USB settings. Just click on the plus icon, again click on plus icon and make sure we have to disable this one. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. You can right click on the start icon and click on run. You can also press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Then type here devmgmt.msc and hit enter. So on this window we need to find out the universal serial bus controllers. So here it is. Expand this and from the USB host controller, right click on it, select properties, then go to drivers tab, select update driver and select the first one. If this not work, go back and select the second option and click here, check this, select next, and there we go. Windows has successfully updated the drivers. Now close this Windows. Again go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select S, and on this window we need to execute the command gp update and hit enter. So this command will take some time to complete the process, around 2 to 5 minutes or maybe within seconds it will complete. Once done, type exit and close this window. Now restart the system. You can also check out our pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So please check out and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Make sure you have to restart your system to fix this issue.